All right, so in this problem, we're given two pieces of information that we can use to create the equation of a line in y equals mx plus b format. So, the pieces that we're looking to find in this problem are the m, the slope, and the y-intercept, the b. Conveniently, you get one piece of information given to you at the very beginning here. So our m is equal to -1/5, and you could shove that into your calculator and get out -0.2. So right now we know that our equation is -0.2x and then plus, and we have to go find that missing box right there. So what we do is we take the point that they also gave us, which has an x value and a y value, and we plug all three of those pieces of information into our y equals mx plus b setup, and we'll be left with the only piece that we don't know what it is the b, and we can solve for b from there. So y is based upon the point they gave us is -4. Our m is -1/5, which I turned into -0.2. The x is going to be what they gave us in the point up above. So we're looking at x is going to be -5, and then we're looking at a plus b. So the -4 is going to stay there for the time being. We want to throw that -0.2 times -5 into our calculator, and we're going to end up getting out of there a +1 plus b, and we're just trying to get b by itself. So now I just want to subtract 1 and subtract 1. So I end up with -5 equals -1 plus 1 is 0, and then the b is left over. So I have -5 equals b, and that was the last piece of our puzzle.